Okay, so this one's relatively straightforward because you just view it in terms of hours and minutes, and then you try to maximize it. So for hours, you're going to have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, so on till 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum of these, these would be 1 through 9 would be, 1 through 9 as usual. But these would be 1, 2, and 3. So our maximum, in order to maximize, the hours area, it would be 9. And then minutes would be, you're trying to maximize the sum, and the max you can go on the tens digit of the minutes is 5, and the max you can go on the units digit is 9. So 9:59 is the time that would get the maximum, largest possible sum of the digits in the display. And so 9 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 23, and that should be the largest possible sum. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, next question. A clock in Shree's car, which is not accurate, gains time at a constant rate. One day, as he begins shopping, he notes that the car clock and his watch, which is accurate, both say 12 noon. When he's done shopping, his watch says 12:30 and his car clock says 12:35. Later that day, Shree loses his watch. He looks at the car clock and says 7 o'clock. What is the actual time? So this is more like, okay, this loses time and gains time in the concept that we talked about before. So I would recommend you guys try and solve the problem, and then we'll come back and discuss.